Hello, my name is Shay. I come from the United States, but I've been living in Thailand for a very long time. I first started teaching English professionally about 6.5 years ago on the border of Thailand and Myanmar. Then I was teaching primary students, grades 1 through 6. But in the interim, I taught learners of all levels and ages, from children in kindergarten all the way through to adults, trying to prepare for IELTS. And so the reason why I love teaching English so much is because it allows me to form connections with people. It allows me to meet people that otherwise I might never have met. But more importantly, there's a satisfaction from watching a student learn, grow, and become more confident using English. And so hopefully, maybe I'll see you in class soon.